Hello everyone! Today I'll be sharing a very simple mushroom stir-fry recipe. This time I'll be adding pork belly. It's gonna add so much flavor to the dish. But if you don't have pork belly, don't worry, you can always use pork slices or chicken slices. So let's get started. You can use any mushrooms for this recipe. I like to use a mix of fresh and dried ones. Today I have enoki mushroom, and these are oyster mushrooms and the dried mushrooms. Cut off the ends and give them a quick rinse. Separate the strands like this. Then give the oyster mushrooms a quick rinse as well. And remove any excess water. Now let's prep the dried mushrooms. You need to soak the dried mushrooms for about 4 hours or until they turn soft, and squeeze out any excess water. Remove the stem, then cut into thin slices. And set aside. Here I have some pork belly cut into small cubes. Season with a bit of salt. Add some cooking oil. You don't need much as the pork belly will release more oil as it cooks. Add the pork belly. Saute until the edges turn golden brown. Then add the minced garlic. Saute until fragrant. Add the dried mushrooms. Saute until fragrant. Then add the fresh mushrooms. Increase the heat. Then saute until the fresh mushrooms turn soft. Season with some salt and some light soy sauce. And also balance the flavor with some sugar. Add a bit of cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. And there you have it, a simple mushroom stir fry that tastes so amazing. Do give it a try. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like, share or comment. It really helps the algorithm show you more of my videos. See you in the next one.